7th. It is 12:31 already. I just like have had the longest day, so like I haven't been able to actually like do anything for the place. So I'm gonna just try, because now it's starting to get messy because I have things scattered because I need to do storage. So I got this stuff at IKEA like on Sunday, but I haven't been able to just touch it because of work and stuff. So we're gonna get to it. These are the bins that I got. They're like acrylic teal, which, as you know, they splashes of color some places. Oh, I got a toilet blow cleaner because I didn't have one of those yet. I was just trying to find one that was inexpensive but also stylish, and IKEA came through because it's like a little tin. Cute. Oh, then I have some of these new drawer organizers that they came out with, and it's like a set of 6. That's what they look like. You guys will see this when I eventually do like closet stuff and clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that. Then I'm gonna put some of my dry goods in these little containers that Elena got me, and I'm just gonna put some music on, set a timer for like 30-40 minutes, get what I can done, and then whatever else is not done is just gonna have to get done tomorrow. So yeah, I will just show you guys what everything kind of looks like once I'm done. But I just need to clean. I got a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree today, like cleaning products. So yeah, I'm gonna just get started on that, put some music on, and get rolling. I will see you guys later. Oh my god, also use one of my glasses that Kiera got me, and they're stunning. I love them. Okay, for real, let's do this. Hey guys, today is, let me flip this up so y'all can see me. I'm giving Gilligan's Island right now. Just came back from IKEA and ordered my desk because they have this weird thing where like online it says you can do home delivery, but then you really can't do home delivery from the website or like the app. It's really honestly an idiotic process, because why would you tell me I could get the items delivered home, but then when I put my address it's like, oh, we don't have a warehouse that's willing to ship to you, as if the store isn't a warehouse. Like, it doesn't make sense. Y'all don't got a truck or two to do some deliveries locally? Like, I understand obviously you don't want to drive 3-4 hours away, that's cool, but like locally, the metro Atlanta area, y'all just can't drop stuff off for people. It's actually ridiculous. Like, I ended up, so I ordered the two desk pieces, like the drawers, called like the drawer sections. I can't speak right now. Ordered those two to get delivered because I do not have space in my car for it. And then the top of the desk, like I just got like a random piece of like light wood, not random, it's the color that I need. But I got this piece of wood for the top, and it's like a countertop essentially, and it won't, like they have it in the store but they won't deliver that one piece. Like they won't deliver, it's not a part of like the delivery. So I had to bring that by myself. Like it's not an option to just pick it up with the other pieces, and they won't deliver it. Anyways, it's very weird. So I have the top of the desk, I'm waiting for the other two pieces to come. I don't know when they'll come, but yeah, so I finally got that ordered. Anyways, my godbrother got me my air fryer, and so it finally came today. I'm super excited. It's from Drew Barrymore's line that she has at Walmart. Like she has a homeware line, super cute pieces. So I'm super excited to finally have an air fryer because Val put me on and I ain't looked back, baby. So I'm gonna open it up and she's gonna go right in this corner right here because it's fairly big, but this is like the one thing I really need, so I'm gonna use it all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, I need to do this quickly. It's happening, guys. So this is the beautiful, what's it called? It's a 9-core tri-zone air fryer with a touch activated display. What's the brand called again? I don't know what it's called, but you can see her right here. She looks so cute. And that's some of the products. Like, look at how cute the color is. So yeah, they also have it in cream, like a cream. So I was like battling, but I did say I wanted to do color, and the sage green eats. Currently getting ready for the baby shower, but my desk just got delivered. I'm actually kind of upset because, well, not really. I got it delivered, which is great, but it definitely could have fit in my car when I went to IKEA yesterday. But I thought it would be way bigger because I've had, like, I just assumed it would be like the size of like my dresser box, or like really long. Like, I didn't know how it was gonna be packaged. I guess I should have checked in the area, but now I know for next time. But the boxes are really heavy, so I wouldn't have even been able to carry them up the stairs. I'm a precious princess. I cannot be doing heavy labor. But anyways, it was hell to get the top in here. It was crazy. I was like, wow, am I gonna croak? And then, like, I'm so in my head about everything because I recently found out that I'm type A because Val told me I am. I'm just such a planner to the T. Anyway, so I slid the box. I'm about to show it to you guys. Slid the box on the floor where it's like where it's supposed to go, to see if it'll be too big, because the space in front of the window where I want to set up my desk slash vanity is 6 feet, but this is like 6 feet and some inches, right? Or centimeters, whatever. And I was just like, oh my God, is it gonna be too big? Am I gonna have to put this back in my car, take it to Home Depot and get it cut down? Like, it was really stressing me out. But y'all, I think it's gonna work out, and I'll show you why. So this is the color of the top, and I'm hoping it's not gonna clash too much with my floors, but I'll show you the inspo picture of what I'm going for as far as my desk setup. So I actually have the black or dark brown drawers, and then this will be the top of it. So I thought this whole box was the entire length, but it actually has like this good chunk right here before you get to the cabinet. So I think it is actually going to be super good, and it's going to go in this area right over here. Sorry, I'm waiting for it to focus. It's going to go right over here. So literally I'll probably have like a slither of wall space, but I'm super excited. It's just gonna be super nice. This is my desk situation right now. It's been working. The table's low. This is like my vanity, like my filming table that I can like make a mess on. My dad literally tried to rip my nose about taking it from the house, but come on, Ruby, be for real. You haven't used it in centuries. This is the color of the desk. So essentially it's black, but it's like essentially it's actually a dark brown black, but it looks black. So that's the vibe. I didn't want it to be too light in here. Like, I love the light aesthetic, but the more that I saw stuff, don't mind the mess in the back. Those are literally all my clothes. That's like the last thing on my list. I probably will do that in October when I have a break, and then I'll focus on my closet because I want to get like a little closet system from IKEA. Not a closet system, but like a piece of a closet system to put in there. But anyways, I don't want my apartment to be too light, like too sterile. Like I said, like, I love the lightness of it, I love that, but I don't want it to just be nude all across the board. So I'm trying to like add blacks in. I want my dining room table to be, it's gonna be round. I know for sure I want that to be the shape, and I want it to be dark in some form. So like either a dark base or a dark top. So that's what I'm looking for. I want to find it on Facebook Marketplace. So it'll be a while before I find one. I actually found one that I really love, and it's not dark, but it is wooden, and I was gonna get black chairs or some type of dark chair, and they won't sell me the table separately. Like, it's a whole dining set, but the chairs are really big, bulky, leather, vintage, like mid-century modern. They're cute, but I was gonna just be like, okay, I'm gonna just buy that, but the actual chairs just are too light, and it's not the vision that I see for this space. And if I put those chairs in here, it's gonna further make it too bright, you know what I mean? But that table is stunning. Like, I want that table so bad. Like, I'm gonna message the seller because it's been up for a few weeks. Like, normally things sell pretty quickly on Facebook Marketplace, but I already messaged them and they're like refusing to sell it separately. And I'm like, please, can I just get the table? Like, it's the perfect table. It's a round table that sits 4, but it also comes with a middle extension piece if I wanted to make it longer. Now I'm about to text him right now. But yeah, that's what we have going on. So I'm about to make some breakfast. I'm getting ready for the baby shower. I actually really need to get a gift bag and a card. So since I curled my hair and everything, I may run up the street and go do that after I eat breakfast. If I don't, then I'll just get it before I go, which I guess could also work. But I low-key need to get gas because I'm probably gonna be the one driving today, and we have a pretty packed schedule. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's what this day is consisting of. I'm about to put my tunes on and get to work on my eggs.
Been a long year, pour the glass out to the ones that ain't here by choice. I hoist it all up, this ain't luck, no rabbit's foot. I got this thing wrapped up, the girls favorite rapper if they asked us. Master, no clue who it was, didn't see it coming. Behind you with the...
Hey guys, it is Monday, September 12th, and it is currently 1:51 p.m. I'm proud of myself, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, okay? Woke up this morning and me and Val went to the gym together. Like, we said we had to get back on our fitness journey. We gave ourselves the summer to just slack off and play around, but now it's back to business. I did my 12-3-30, but I actually did 45 minutes of that. And then it took me 20 minutes to take out all of like my IKEA boxes, my computer box, like all these boxes I had sitting in the apartment for the last week. I said, let me just buckle down and just make the multiple trips to the garbage disposal and just throw them out. So that's what I did this morning. So that took 20 minutes. So I actually had like an hour of working out. Good cardio, baby. So yeah, this is day 1 of getting back into fitness. Tomorrow morning, I want to get back in the gym again. I want it to be like an everyday thing, at least 3 or 4 times a week. Anyways, today my focus is finally unpacking my vanity because I built my desk last night with Val. So it's up, it's beautiful, it's perfect. I'm not going to do the L shape anymore. It's so unnecessary. This is just such a ginormous space. If anything, if I need like more storage, I could get one of those cute little rolling carts. You guys know which ones I'm talking about? Just like one where I can like put some stuff in and then just roll around the apartment. So I think I'll probably end up getting something like that if I need more storage. But I'm gonna run to all of these really quickly. I have no greens in the house and it's starting to stress me out. And the fact that I worked out this morning, I don't want to eat chum, you know? So I'm gonna run to all of these really quick, get like chicken broth, get some spinach, some kale. I need some Greek yogurt so I can actually eat my oatmeal. I need to get some medicine. Like now that it's fall, like the temperature dropped a little bit and literally my throat is already doing the most, which it does every fall. And then I'm gonna come home and my main focus is getting all of my clothes that I need to film on my clothing rack back here. My chairs for my balcony came today. I had no intentions of starting on the balcony, but since it's fall, all of the furniture was on sale and I actually found, like, I obviously have like a whole mood board. You guys will see because the video series is coming out, but I had the whole thing pre-planned in my head. I was just looking up the chairs just to kind of save them to my Pinterest board for later, for when I do start on it. And I found the chairs on Overstock. They were close to $400. Then I found them on, I found them on Wayfair. They were $400. found them on Overstock. I was just doing like, I wanted to see more reviews because I had found some that I liked that were really cheap. Like the price was amazing. It was like $200 for like a love seat. So I was like, do I want to do a love seat out there because I have the space? And then as I was like researching, they started showing like similar items, and I was like, okay, this is more of like the vibes I want to go for, but it's more expensive. So I was like, I'm gonna just save it to my Pinterest board for later, and I'll just do it in the spring. Well, I wanted to read more reviews so I could like for sure know which one I wanted. And when I did like the search on Google, it came up on Overstock. On Overstock, it was like $384. And then I keep scrolling, and who, lo and behold, who holds it down but Target? So I ended up finding both chairs on Target for $284. I was like, literally $200 cheaper basically. I said, let me go ahead and make that happen. So I ordered them. They came this morning. I'm probably gonna put them together a little bit later, but I'm gonna go to Aldi's first, so that way I'm just home and I can just do what I have to do. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so once I get my Greek yogurt, I think I'm gonna just make some oatmeal, something light with some strawberries in it. I need to get some iced coffee. Oh my gosh, I do not have iced coffee because I'm really trying not to go to Starbucks. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much everything a little bit later, but I want to get rid of like the boxes behind me, unpack my makeup finally. Like just being next to my vanity mirror is giving me such sanity. I just find my makeup hasn't even been Poppington because I haven't been able to sit down. Like I need to like really see what's going on, and I haven't. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I will see you guys when I get back from Aldi's.
Moments later.
Hey guys, just woke up from a nap. Val is still sleeping. Today drained me. Literally went to the gym, went to Aldi's, unpacked the groceries, cooked for me and Val, just a light lunch. I just made it some grilled cheese. And you would have thought I did a whole 12-hour shift. Anyways, I'm gonna try to do some stuff for the sunsets. Oh, let me set my lights. Y'all, I got some Hue light bulbs, and I promise for the rest of my life I'm not using no other light bulbs but these light bulbs. They are amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna set them to turn on tonight at 8. I think that's when the sun sets. But yeah, so I'm finally gonna start doing some work. So let's just focus on the clothes, one task at a time. Let's go.